How to check monetization eligibility on Facebook page. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how you can easily check your monetization eligibility on Facebook page. Go ahead and open facebook.com from your web browser. And once you are logged in, just make sure to switch over to your page. I'm already logged into my page. And once you have done that, go to your page account. And then you're going to have to open Meta Business Suite. Once you open Meta Business Suite, you can just go ahead and click on All Tools and find the monetization tools here. So click on the Ad Manager, and here you'll be able to see all of your ad accounts. And then you are going to have to go to Billing and Payments. If you're able to go here, you can check your monetization there as well. Now, once you head over to the All Tools tab, just go ahead and click on the monetization option. And once you get here, you will see your status. So there are no monetization violations as of now. And if you go ahead and click on the view page eligibility option, you can find more options as well, like stars, content monetizations. And if you go to policy issues, you'll be able to see if you violated any policies as well. So there are no recent monetization violations, so you are eligible for this. And if you go to monetization tools, you can find different types of tools here as well. So that's how you basically check the eligibility of your monetization tool on Facebook. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.